Alright, so what you guys just saw is just probably a bunch of big montage. We just got the bumper off, everything's disconnected. We got it off in like 20 minutes. We got it done really quick. But so I wanted to wrap the grill.
We wrapped the grill all black over here, which is originally that color. If you can see it, it's that color gray. So we wrapped it gloss black, and this is OEM gloss.
And then the actual mesh we took out because it looks cool.
The mesh is right here. We took this mesh out that sits in the grill, and it gives it a cleaner look.
And now we got this CS1 front lip also, which just looks actually like really nice. This is my second lip, because the other one got
It's a
snapped.
fatter lip, and it sits a little bit lower, and it comes out more. It looks much better. Just got the bumper back on. I dig this look. We moved the horn as well, because the horn you could have saw it was over here, so I put it down, and it's behind this. So now it's just clean look. Looks fire. Next up is we're gonna be doing it another day. It's Thomas soccer practice. Side skirts and spats. We have them in the back of the car. We'll pop the hatch. Spats are right here. And skirts. So that's gonna be part 2. Well, not part 2. The next 30 seconds of this video, but another day for us.
Yeah, so I'll be wearing different clothes.
Yep, I'll be wearing different clothes. Dude, I might just wear the same outfit, but that's a wrap for this part of the vlog and today. Looks great, success, and we'll see you guys in like 3 seconds, but another day for us. Yeah. You're good. Back at it, day 2, putting the skirts on. Got the car jacked up in the air, one stand, got tap-in screws, and then spats we're gonna drill and as well use the 3M tape they give you, and we're gonna heat it up just to make sure it sticks on the bumper real good. And that's really it. It should take about a half hour. I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod and throw a time lapse of some music. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So we got the side skirt in. I put a screw about every like 4 or 5 inches. It's in there sturdy, and then we ran into a little gappage over here, so we're gonna just drill right here. Cool. All right, yeah, that looks good. For the rear spats, we're going to be popping 2 clips out. This one, you guys can see it, that one and that one. Comes with a bag of push pins, screws, and these little brackets. Not sure what they're going to be used for yet actually, but we'll figure it out. May not have to use them, and we're not going to be 3M'ing it honestly. It comes with 3M, you're not going to need it because it fits really flush. Let's show them real quick. It fits really flush how it is, so you don't really need the 3M, but they give it to you if you really want to.
Alright, so what we did, we figured out we were trying to drill straight in, but it's not lined up with the bumper. So what the package comes with is these little brackets. They look like this. And it has nut and bolts. So we feed the bolts through the holes, and it's got the nut, and it'll go there, and then we could actually drill in through there to the bumper. Alright guys, so that's it. The whole install, that's it. The spats are on. Good fitment. We didn't use the 3M that it came with. It was like trash 3M. So we went out and bought our own, but it didn't even work in the first place. So all we did was angle the screw underneath here, that way so that it pushed the spat closer to the actual body line of the car.
And we had to bend the bracket just a little bit. Other than that, side skirt's a piece of cake. I put like 10, 15 screws in there just to keep it nice and sturdy. And then one back here.
I painted it. You can't see
Yeah,
it.
we painted it black. And the lip kit is done. Looks great, the car. And I'm going to link all this in the description for you guys.
Yeah.
And if you were interested in
All
getting
eBay
it,
parts.
all eBay.
The only thing was the fitment on the spat was a little off. It touched this little plastic here.
So
it was further out. It was touching the mud flap. It was pushing the mud flap like this.
It was like that. So we cut it with just like some snips. It's not
Yeah.
that. It's just plastic stuff.
So it's
Easy to do. Highly recommend it. Looks great. And hope to see you guys soon. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Good videos coming out soon. Some modifications for my car. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.